To create a Phantom Wallet account, start by going to the Phantom website and clicking on the download button to install the Phantom Wallet extension on your browser. Once the installation is complete, click on the Phantom icon in your browser toolbar and select Create New Wallet. You will be asked to create a password for your wallet. Make sure it is strong and unique. After creating your password, you will be given a secret recovery phrase. Write it down and store it in a safe place, as you will need it to recover your wallet in case you lose access. Next, you will be asked to confirm your secret recovery phrase by typing it in. This is a security measure to ensure you have written it down correctly. Once you have confirmed your secret recovery phrase, your Phantom Wallet account will be created and you will be taken to the dashboard. On the dashboard, you will see your account balance and transaction history. You can also use the Send and Receive buttons to send and receive cryptocurrency. To add cryptocurrency to your wallet, click on the Receive button and copy the wallet address. You can then use this address to receive cryptocurrency from other wallets or exchanges. To send cryptocurrency, click on the Send button and enter the recipient's wallet address and the amount you want to send. Make sure to double-check the recipient's wallet address before sending, as cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible. It is also important to note that Phantom Wallet supports multiple blockchain networks, including Solana and Ethereum. Make sure to select the correct network before sending or receiving cryptocurrency. By following these steps, you can create a Phantom Wallet account and start using it to send and receive cryptocurrency.